Okay, so how many of you are going to bake today? कौन कौन बना रहे हो आप लोगों में से? So today is the first class, guys. Yesterday I was not able to take the class due to power cut. So how many of you are going to bake today? Reply fast in the chat box. Aisa, Reena, Chatra, Alentina is making. Oisin is making. Okay. Aisa is also very nice. Why Chatra? Why you are not making? Rashmi, are you making? Siddharth is making. Okay, very nice. कोई नहीं, आप गैस भी बना सकते हो. Okay, Chatra want to learn without egg. So I will tell you the alternative of egg also. So you can make after the class as well, or if you want, you can make along with us. You just need to skip the egg, else everything will be same. Okay. So first of all, tell me that how many of you are beginner here, and how many of you want to speak in me in Hindi. कौन कौन चाहते हो कि मैं हिंदी में बोलूं और कौन कौन चाहते हो कि इंग्लिश में बोलूं? और राइट इंग्लिश और हिंदी वाली. अच्छा यात्रा, यू नीड टू टेक कर्ड इंस्टेड ऑफ एग. Because English, okay. All of you, please reply fast. Reena, Susmita. Yes, we will make mango mousse and chocolate cupcakes. Yes, curd and buttermilk both. Hindi, okay. Many of you are Hindi here. ठीक है, तो मैं हिंदी और इंग्लिश दोनों में बता दूंगी. Chaitra, if you will start making, I will tell you the quantity accordingly while we will make. Okay. 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 No issue. Okay, Tanushree, is there anyone who is old student or everyone is new here? And also, please tell me all of you, आप लोगों में से कौन कौन beginner हो? Reena will prefer English. Okay. So, how many of you are English beginner here? Okay, all of you are beginner. भूलना मत मानो. So this is the first time you guys are joining my class, right? आप लोग सब लोग पहली बार मेरी क्लास ज्वाइन कर रहे हो? Okay. So after the class, please all of you share your feedback about the class. Did you like or not? आप लोगों को क्लास अच्छी लगी या नहीं लगी? आप लोग क्लास के बाद फीडबैक शेयर करना. Okay. So I'm starting the class now. So first and the most important thing of baking is this tool. This is measuring scale. Yes, Aisa, I will send you the recorded lectures after the class. So this is the most important thing while you making. सबसे जरूरी टूल ये है मेजरिंग स्केल. जब भी आप कोई भी चीज कोई भी रेसिपी बना रहे हो विदाउट मेजरिंग स्केल आपकी रेसिपी परफेक्ट नहीं बनेगी. ओके. So please try to purchase this measuring tool. You can easily get it from the Amazon. आपको Amazon से या फिर कोई भी बेकरी शॉप से मिल जाएगी, सुपरमार्केट से. 220 और 250 का. ठीक है. तो measuring scale आप लोग परचेज कर लेना. Do you have this measuring scale, all of you? I will purchase. Can you share the product link? Yes, I will share the product link after the class. I have the bigger one. Is that okay? Yes, it will be okay. And this is the electric beater. We will use this electric beater while beating the egg. We will use this electric beater while beating the whipping cream. Okay. This is the hand beater we also use for mixing small quantity. ठीक है. So let's start the class. So first of all we will start making cupcakes. हम लोग सबसे पहले cupcakes बनाएंगे. So how many of you are going to make cupcakes? आप लोगों में से कौन कौन बना रहे हो cupcakes? Oisin is making. Okay. What about else, guys? तो ऑल ऑफ यू प्लीज बी इंटरेक्टिव इन क्लास. क्लास में आप लोग बातें कीजिएगा ताकि आप लोग बोर फील ना करो. ठीक है. जो लोग बना नहीं रहे हो आप लोग प्लीज आस्क योर डाउट्स. So first of all, we will beat the egg. Okay, in this recipe, I am using egg. So 50 gram. Those who don't want to use egg, you need to use 50 gram of curd. Okay, 50 gram आपको curd use करना है instead of egg. So we will take a egg and we will beat it. Instead of egg, you can use curd as well. Okay, so 50 gram of curd you need to use and you need to whisk it. एग की जगह कर्ड यूज कर सकते हो रश्मि. यू कैन यूज कर्ड. यू कैन यूज कर्ड इंस्टेड ऑफ एग. 50 gram. Now we will start beating it. First of all, you need to beat at slow speed. After that, you need to beat at high speed for 1 minute. And no, you need to use egg yolk and white as well. Before egg, you need to add. So you need to beat till it will get fluffy like this. इस तरह का जब आपका fluffy हो जाए, you need to stop beating it. Okay. Okay. So now we will start adding sugar. हम लोग sugar add करेंगे. So 100 gram of powdered sugar or granulated sugar you can add in this. Powdered sugar as well as granulated sugar you can add 100 gram. After that we will add refined oil. That is 60 gram. 60 gram of refined oil we will add. Sixty gram of refined oil you need to add. After that we will use vanilla essence. Don't forget to use vanilla essence if you are using egg. Otherwise the egg smell will comes out. Those who are using curd, you need to add vanilla essence as well for the flavor. Okay. So 4 to 5 drops of vanilla essence you need to add. Is it clear till now? कर्ड को बीट नहीं करनी है, कर्ड को मिक्स कर लेना आप. Now we will mix it. You need to mix it properly till your sugar will get dissolved. Okay. आपको जब तक मिक्स करनी है जब तक शुगर डिसॉल्व ना हो जाए. बटर मिक्स नीचे पूरा देखना, वो खराब तो नहीं हुआ. नहीं, बटर नीचे जो पैकेट में 4-5. हाँ हो गई. Is this clear till now guys? सभी को क्लियर है यहाँ तक? So I am using here buttermilk. If you don't have buttermilk, what you need to do is you need to take 60 ml of milk, and in that you need to add vinegar half tablespoon. Okay, half teaspoon of vinegar you need to add if you don't have buttermilk. Okay. Is it clear? So if you don't have buttermilk, you need to mix vinegar in the milk and you need to form the buttermilk. Okay. So 60 ml of buttermilk we need to add in this. And we will mix it. Those who are making, please preheat your OTG at 180 degree on the lower rod. Okay. And those who don't have oven or OTG, you can make on the gas itself. For that you need to add, for that you need to preheat your gas as well. Okay. Buttermilk. Buttermilk I am using here. This is buttermilk. Now we will keep it aside and we will sieve all the dry ingredients. What I need to repeat, Aisa? From the starting. Okay, so those who about the oven preheat. Okay, so those who are having oven or OTG, you need to preheat half teaspoon. You need to preheat at 180 degree on the lower rod. Okay, 180 degree on the lower rod for 5 to 10 minutes. And those who are making on gas, you need to use the karahi or cooker. Okay, karahi or cooker आपको ले लेना है, and in that you need to spread some salt. Over that you need to put a stand like that, and आपको फिर आप जो muffins जिसमें भी बना रहे हो कपकेक्स मोल्ड को उसमें रखना है. ठीक है. So now we will start measuring the dry ingredients. So first of all, we will take the refined flour, that is 65 gram. ₹65 of refined flour, that is maida, you need to take. ₹65 of refined flour you need to take. After that, we will add the cocoa powder. Okay, आपको cocoa powder add करना है 25 gram. 25 gram of cocoa powder you need to take. After that, we will add baking soda and baking powder. Okay, so 4 teaspoon of baking soda we will add. Then we will add 4 teaspoon of baking powder. And now we will sieve it. Okay. We will sieve it. Always sieve your dry ingredients. Whenever you are using dry ingredients, always you need to sieve it. Okay, so that there will be no any lumps. You can see there is lumps in the cocoa powder. So it will be removed if you will sieve it. 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Now what we will do is we will mix all the wet ingredients and dry ingredients together. वेट इंग्रेडिएंट्स एंड ड्राई इंग्रेडिएंट्स को हम सीव कर लेंगे, मिक्स कर लेंगे, ठीक है। Now we will mix it with cut and fold method. First you need to cut like this, then fold it. Cut, then fold. Cut, then fold. Just like this you need to mix it. Can please show me the mixture? Okay. See the texture of the batter. It should be like this. At the end, we will take hot water. So 25 gram of hot water you need to take. And in that we will add coffee. Okay. So 3 gram of coffee I am adding here. We will mix it. And we will add it in the batter. Yes, I am also using Nescafe here. Now we will mix it well. So the batter should be like this. The consistency of batter should be like this. Okay. इस तरह का थोड़ा सा पतला कंसिस्टेंसी होगा इसका. 3 gram of coffee I am using here. Now we will take the muffins mold. and we will add the cupcakes liner. If you want, you can directly grease and dust as well. Now we will fill half. Okay, आपको half fill करना है cupcakes liner में. Do not fill more than half, otherwise it will flow in the upward direction. Okay, I will share the link. If you want, you can add choco chips as well, or you can skip it. So those who are making, have you completed? Now we will tap it so that there will be no any air bubble. Okay. And we will bake it at 180 degree for 30 minutes on the lower rod. So is there anyone who is having doubt? किसी को कोई doubt है? Anyone is having doubt, guys? Yes, remaining batter आप फ्रिज में रख सकते हो. Cover it with plastic sheet. So with this recipe, you will be able to make 8 muffins, right? हाँ, गैस पे आपको 25 मिनट्स बेक करना है. एक बार आप चेक कर लेना आफ्टर 20 मिनट्स विद द हेल्प ऑफ टूथपिक. इफ इट विल कम्स आउट क्लीन, इट मींस इट हैज बेक्ड परफेक्टली. मफिन्स मोल्ड के ऊपर ये कपकेक्स लाइनर आते हैं पेपर के. दिस इज द कपकेक्स लाइनर. You will get it from the Amazon. I will share the link. Okay. Yes, low flame पे. Bake it for how many minutes? 30 minutes. ऐसा check it after 20 minutes, 25 minutes, because it will depend on the OTG, right? 20 minutes के बाद आप एक बार check कर लेना. If it will be baked, then fine. Now किसी को कोई doubt है? Are you liking the class, guys? Enjoying the class or not? कैसा लग रहा है आप लोगों को class? नो वन इज रिप्लाइंग क्लास, किसी को भी अच्छी नहीं लग रही है। हम्म, हाँ इससे तो निकाल। ओके, एवरीथिंग इज क्लियर। Okay, so now we will make mango mousse. How many of you are going to make mango mousse? Okay, so first of all, we will take the whipping cream. For mango whipping cream, we need to take 200 ml. Okay, 200 ml आपको whipping cream चाहिए. So we will take 200 ml of whipping cream. So now we will start beating the whipping cream. First of all, you need to beat it where the temperature is below 20 डिग्री. जहाँ पे 20 डिग्री से कम टेम्परेचर हो वहां पे आपको बीट करनी है एसी रूम में. रश्मि, मीजरिंग कप से मेजरमेंट अच्छी नहीं आती है, अदरवाइज देयर इज नो बेनिफिट ऑफ ज्वाइनिंग दिस क्लास. ओके. एंड द सेकेंड थिंग इज, if you don't have AC in your home, this is the second method. You need to take a bowl and in that you need to add ice. Okay. I'm beating in front of you so that you get to know how to beat the whipping cream. So you need to take ice in a bowl and over that you need to keep your whipping cream. Right? Now you need to start beating it. So first of all you need to take the electric beater and for 1 minute you need to beat at slow speed. After that you will beat at high speed. Granulated sugar means the normal sugar which we are using in our daily life. Just give a minute, I'm telling you. So you need to beat till your cream is not falling down. Okay, you can see it is not falling down, but it is not that much stable. So we will beat it for 1 more minute. Okay. So we need to beat our whipping cream till this only. When it is not falling down, it means your cream has beaten properly. You can see it is not falling down. It means your cream has beaten properly. Now we will keep it aside. Okay, what you are asking, ma'am, granulated sugar means Chaitra, granulated sugar means the normal sugar which we are using in our daily life while making tea, coffee, etc. How much powdered sugar we need to add for the choco cups? Okay, so uh, for making, like you are asking for cupcakes, right? Chocolate cupcakes. So either you can take the powdered sugar or granulated sugar, that is 100 gram only. 100 gram. 100 gram of granulated sugar you need to take. Now we will take a fresh mango and we will chop it, and after that we will grind it in the mixer grinder to form a smooth puree. Okay. So just keep a minute, let me wash it. Now we will chop it. You need to take 50 gram of powdered sugar in mousse. 50 gram. So we will chop it into small pieces and we will grind it to form a smooth puree in the mixer grinder. How many of you are making this mango mousse? This is the mango season, guys, so it's very necessary to use mango while making any recipe. right? Like mango mousse, mango milkshake. One mango you need to take, whole one mango. Now we will grind it in the mixer grinder, okay? To form a smooth puree. And you can see here your cupcakes is also ready. So we will keep it aside. When it will become cool, you can see how soft it is, very hot. So now we will start preparing the mango mousse. After that, when it will become cool, we will do the frosting. Okay. So those who are making, have your cupcakes ready. Firdaus, you can check it once by inserting a toothpick. Okay. Let me tell you. This is the cupcakes. Insert this toothpick like this. If it will comes out clean, it means it has baked properly. Okay. So now we will start decorating it or completing the mango mousse. So we will take the whipping cream in a bowl. After that, we will add mango puree. So this is the mango puree which I am adding. In this, you can add gelatin as well to form a smooth puree. Okay, आपको अच्छा सा बैटर सेट करने के लिए, if you want to set your mousse, you need to add the gelatin as well. Gelatin और agar agar भी use कर सकते हो और skip भी कर सकते हो. ठीक है. After that, we will 3 gram of gelatin you need to add. After that, we will add 50 gram of sugar in this to adjust the sweetness. Whipping cream is already sweet, but just we will add little bit amount of powdered sugar to adjust the taste. Okay. Now we will mix it well. And we will mix it well. Fifty gram of sugar you need to take. 50 gram. If you want less sweet, you can use 30 gram as well. Like if your mango is sour little bit, you need to take 50 gram. If it is good in taste, you need to take 30 gram. Now we will take a jar or you can take a bowl as well. I guess Firdaus, after the class you will get the recording. So we will fill it in a piping bag. Yes, Aisa, you can take 2 mango as well. Now we will cut the piping bag and we will fill it in the jar. So like this, you need to prepare your mango mousse. Now we will keep it in the fridge so that it will become set properly, and after that you can enjoy it. Okay. So 2 से 3 घंटे तक फ्रिज में आप लोग रख दीजिएगा ताकि अच्छे से सेट हो सके, and then you can try this mango mousse. Remaining batter we will keep it in a bowl. Firdaus, turn on your camera and show me your batter. Turn on your back camera. बैक कैमरा आप कीजिए. आपने बेकिंग सोडा, बेकिंग पाउडर सारी चीजें मेजर करके डाली थी मेजरिंग स्केल से, या फिर अभी वेट कीजिए आप. इट विल टेक टाइम. ये आपने छोटे छोटे अमाउंट में नहीं डाला है ना, आपने केक टीन में डाला है, तो आप उसे वेट कीजिए 30 मिनट तक एटलीस्ट उसको लग जाएंगे. ठीक है, कवर करके छोड़ दीजिए आप अभी 30 मिनट तक. तो डू यू गाइज हैव एनी डाउट टिल नाउ? किसी को कोई भी डाउट है? हाँ यस, आपको 50 ग्राम ही शुगर ऐड करना है. Okay, now we will do the icing on cupcakes. Yes, you can blend it together. So in a bowl we will add few cream. And we are making chocolate cupcakes. So I'm adding the chocolate syrup for frosting. Okay, frosting के लिए मैं chocolate flavor बना रही हूँ. You can use the chocolate ganache as well. So we will mix it once. And these are the different nozzles. Okay. So you can take any nozzle, whatever you are using. You can make any type of design on your cupcakes. So we will cut the piping bag and we will fill it inside. बटर क्रीम फ्रॉस्टिंग इज डिफरेंट. उसकी रेसिपी अलग होती है. So you need to fill it in the piping bag. Okay, so now we will start doing frosting on the cupcakes. So you need to put your piping bag at 90 degree. 90 degree पे आपको रखना है. And just you need to do like this. Okay. Like this you need to do the frosting. You can make another design as well. Like that. So like this you can also make designs on the cupcakes. Okay. You can make heart shape as well. Like this you can also make the designs. So these are the cupcakes which we have prepared today. You can also try it. You can see it is very soft, right? कितना ज़्यादा soft है. So please all of you try this recipe and सब लोग मुझे photo send कीजिएगा with feedback. Okay. Feedback के साथ आप लोग photo send कीजिएगा WhatsApp पे. ये सब लेते हैं. From Amazon you can get it, or from any supermarket you will get it. I will share the link of from the Amazon. So that's it for today's class, guys. If you are having any doubt, please message me on WhatsApp or you can call me as well if you are having any doubt. ठीक है? And tomorrow we will continue the class at the same time 3 p.m. And after the class, I will send you the recorded lecture. So bye everyone. Thank you so much.